Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girlies! Today's video is going to be my first maternity try-on haul on my channel, and as you guys know, we went all out being cheap as hell, and I went to Miss Pretty Little Thing, the pits of hell. I don't know why I keep shopping with them, because every single time I do, I'm just more and more disappointed with the brand, but I don't know where to buy maternity clothing. Like, am I supposed to go to Target? Like, I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know. But please let me know in the comments below where I can find good maternity clothing, because I get super sketched out by Instagram shops these days. Like, I don't trust any of them. Because half the time you buy something and it don't ever show up, or it shows up like the next year. I'm not trying to like get scammed or have my items like show up when I'm not even pregnant anymore. If you guys have any recommendations, definitely leave those in the comments below, and I'll probably try one of those for another video, because I want to do this again at 25 weeks, 30 weeks, and then possibly like 35 if I have the energy. I'm pretty sure at that point I'm probably just gonna be in like sweatpants every day. We're gonna do a little try on haul. We're gonna move to the other part of my room, and we're just gonna go back to back with everything. This is not a sponsored video. Everything that I did, you know, purchase is still on the website, just because I bought it like a week ago and it all just came in like today, this morning. I haven't posted anything this week just because, one, I was gonna do my actual like gender reveal, but I ended up getting some bad news, not related to the baby. Something else with my health decided to, you know, creep up, because that's how life works. You know, when you're in a really good position, a really good place in life, something has to happen, right? So I'm smiling right now, but it's not really like, it's not really good. I'm in a good mood today, so I don't want to like, I was gonna either film that video and do like a chit chat, get ready with me and like talk about it, or do this one. And because like I said, I'm in such a good mood, I'm in good spirits, because it kind of like bummed me. Like, not only did it cancel my gender reveal that I had planned for like his family, my family, everything, or my friends, it just kind of like took a toll on my like mental just for the entire week. So I don't really want to focus on that too much today. I might film that video tomorrow or the next day. So I'll keep you guys in the loop with everything, because that's what I do on my channel. You guys are like family to me. So I share basically everything that I go through, because it's also not only like a way to like get things out and like be therapy, but just, or be therapeutic. But I know a lot of women also like are probably going through the same thing that I am, and maybe if they watch this video or that video and they're gonna be like, oh my god, wait, you're dealing with that too? Like, okay, I thought it was just me. That is gonna be probably the next video this weekend that you guys get, or whenever this video goes live, I don't know, it's gonna be the next one. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into all of these pieces. If you've been keeping up with me, I'm about 5 months pregnant now, so let me show you guys the belly. Literally nothing fits right now. Like, even my pants are they're way too freaking tight right now. But yeah, I am 5 months pregnant now. The belly is here, the baby is growing, as you can see. Oh my goodness, look at my ribs, they're like indenting it. Oh, that looks weird. But yeah, I am about 5 months pregnant now, and I am sprouting more and more every single day. It's crazy. A couple weeks ago, I swear my stomach was flat, which is so crazy. I was just like, time is flying so quickly. The chichas are just like, we have some leggings and then a top. The top looks kind of weird now. Like, now that I'm looking at it in person, so it's a little bit longer on the bottom, so it could, you know, like cover your belly fully. And then it looks like it has like some little indentations right there for like the boobs. It doesn't have any sort of like support or anything. It just looks like a regular top. Then the leggings to go with it, I got these in a size medium. These look so big for a size medium, so we'll see how this fits. But it's supposed to, you know, be a little bigger, so, you know, your belly can fit and all that. Okay, so this is the first look, and if I'm gonna be honest, okay, I know that maternity clothing is supposed to be like a little bit looser, so like everything's really comfortable, and it's definitely comfortable, but like I still feel like I'm like drowning in my clothing. And I got like my usual size, because I haven't really gained too much weight. Like, in the beginning of the pregnancy, I lost maybe like 20 pounds, but over the past like few months, I like gained all of it back, plus like a couple pounds, obviously, because like the belly area. But like, you know, like I wasn't expecting it to be so like loose. Like, look at the pants like by themselves. Like don't look back here, it's still giving you very much flat. Okay, it's probably something that I'm just gonna wear at home, if I'm gonna be honest. It's not really like that flattering, and obviously like I know I'm pregnant, so like not everything's gonna be super flattering, but like it shouldn't make me look a mess. Next up, I got some leather pants. You guys know I love my leather pants, but obviously they don't fit right now and I can't really squeeze into them. So I got some like faux leather maternity leather pants, and these look so weird. So they almost go, yeah, they pretty much go all the way down to like my ankles. So that's good because as you guys know, I'm like 5'8½". So it is hard to find pants that actually go all the way down. So I'm pretty happy about that. They feel like loose enough to where like I'm not gonna be like making that noise when I walk. That's pretty good. I like these. They're actually really comfortable. And when it comes to like the regular like pleather pants, I never like the way they fit. But I actually really like the way these ones do. They're really comfy. Okay, like I'm not mad at this. This is cute. Next, I got a ribbed cat suit. This looks really cute on the girl on the website. So I'm hoping that it looks just as cute on me. So it looks like, why does everything just look so like, oh. She's a little disappointed. Can you like tell? Like my mood is just like, I don't know what I was expecting. Like the last time I ordered from them, I think was like during Christmas time. And I didn't really get like much of a discount. I just wanted to, you know, get some like New Year clothing, just a couple pieces. And I was pretty satisfied with that. But then again, all I got was like sweatpants and like sweatshirts and stuff. So like that's a pretty like easy thing to, you know, shop for, and you know it's gonna be like decent. But like this stuff, low key, like I can see the light coming through. So it's giving me thin. It's giving me cheap. Everything in their maternity section is like a little bit more expensive, I noticed, than like the rest of their clothing. So, like bruh. What is this? Okay, wait, I already knew like straight out the packaging that this was not going to be it. Like, I look like I just got out of the hospital. Like I might have to bring this to the hospital for like a hospital look. It looks so cheap. This is very much giving me AliExpress, like discount clearance section. Oh my goodness, what the hell, pretty little thing. Like, I know a lot of people were saying like, don't shop Shein, don't go to the Shein store because like everything is gonna look really, really bad. But like, did they like partner up? Same warehouse. Does not look like the same quality as the picture on the website at all. I don't know if they like made it with a different material or if they like photoshopped it a certain way, chopped it up. Okay, like once again, another thing that I can only wear in my house because I am not gonna step outside like this. Girl, this girl. We aren't gonna lie right now and say this looks good. Next, this is a maternity camel contour ribbed jumpsuit. I got this in a medium. Okay, this one feels a lot better. But like compared to that, like this feels a lot better. It's nice thick material, but like, okay, skin tight. So obviously like it's a little bit more like, okay, but like how is this maternity actually? Now that I'm like looking at it, like how is this maternity? This just looks like a regular jumpsuit, does it not? I really wish I got this in a different color because I just feel like I look naked right now. I should have got this in like a dark brown. I don't know what I was thinking with this nude. Like, yeah, I probably wouldn't wear it that high up. Probably would leave it like open like that, but I don't know. It's giving me suffocation. I really just don't know how I feel about this. Like it's like a good like thick material, so like you could definitely wear this under something and like layer a bunch of like coats on top, like if you live somewhere where it's cold, or just like once again throw on like a, people don't wear bomber jackets anymore, do they? I feel like they don't, or just throw on like a jean jacket or something and you're good. But this is definitely giving you every crevice of my body. If anybody wants to make fun of me, this is the outfit to make fun of me in. Very much oops I did it again music video, but like the cheap version. I don't, it goes all the way down. That's nice. Next one is a little dress moment. I wanted to, you know, get something for the springtime, even though everybody around the world is experiencing cold, like really bad winter weather. But over here in Vegas, like we're doing pretty good. Like it's maybe like 69, 70 degrees, but like it's pretty good here. So I feel like in maybe like a month I'll be able to wear this. But as you can see, it's just a little dress. I love this. Like, I thought the sleeves were super cute. They're puffy. Strapless, of course. Okay, next we have up a little dress. Okay, this is cute. I like this. This is so cute. It is so comfortable. I feel like this makes me definitely look pregnant. Just because like it's all fluffy and all that, has like the ruching. But this is really comfy. I would definitely wear this with like a strapless bra. The bra that I'm wearing right now turns into a strapless bra, but I'm too lazy to take the straps off right now. But I like this. You guys will definitely see me rocking this on the gram. This is cute. Like, even if you're not pregnant, go buy this. Like, this is so cute. I love this little dress. Like, it makes me feel so pretty. Yeah, I like this. This is adorable. I think I definitely need to buy some more like little strapless dresses. Just because it's so, I don't know, I love it. I love it, I love it. Okay, next up, we have like a teddy jumper. And this one looked really comfortable on the website. It's in a size medium. So it's a really, really nice fluffy material. I might actually wear this today. This is so like, I hope it's not like see-through when I like actually put it on, because it looks good right now. It looks like, you know, it's pretty thick, but once I like start stretching it out, let's see. But this looks really, really cozy. Okay, Miss Pretty Little Thing. I guess I won't sue you guys. This one is giving us comfortable. I like this one a lot. Now that I'm wearing it, I don't know if I would wear this out in public just because it does literally look like a pajama. But this material is so comfortable. Okay. This is so soft. And it just fits so nicely. I'm definitely gonna have to go back and order a couple more of these just to have up to like pajamas or just like loungewear. This is so comfy. Oh my gosh. So soft. Okay. I had a good feeling about it, so I'm happy because like I was about to cut this video short and throw everything away. I already cut all the tags off of everything, so I messed up there. Because once you cut the tag off, you can't return it. Okay, this is cute. I like this. Next, is this the last item? Oh, girl, I thought I got more than that. Guess I didn't. But the next item that I got, let's see, what is this? What is this? This is the Maternity Stone knitted ribbed catsuit. Once again, in a medium. So yeah, this is like the longer version. Oh wait. This is basically like this shirt, but it has the leg part attached to it because it has like the same like little indentations and everything on it. So it looks like that. Just goes all the way down. Just realized I didn't shave my armpits. I hope you're enjoying the show. Okay, next we have a little jumpsuit moment. So this is basically like the same design as the first leggings and top that I showed you, except it's just extended. I'm out of breath from putting this on. That is so sad. Any little bit of movement just makes me want to like pass out. It's pretty comfortable. It goes all the way down to the ankles. Let me back up so you guys can see my bow-legged ass. But yeah, it goes all the way down to the ankles. Pretty comfortable. I like the way this fits. When I wear this out in public, it keeps falling down. And obviously I would have to wear a bra because my chichas grew so much, so they're a little, they ain't hanging up here, they hanging down here now. So I have to wear a bra with this, but it's like, it keeps falling and you can't really do anything about it. But this is actually really comfortable. I like this a lot better than the two-piece version of it for sure. I don't think I'm gonna link any of these things in the description. One, Pretty Little Thing ain't running me a check, but two, I'm not like too fond of most of the items, so I don't want anybody to like buy something and blame me. So this is a bralette and underwear. It said that it was a maternity underwear. I'm not really sure how this is maternity underwear. It looked like it was like very high-waisted on the girl on the website. So I am a little disappointed with this. And also I got this like, I got everything in like a size 6 and 8, and this just looks really, really small. And I don't know why they would put such like a confining strap on maternity underwear, especially when you have a belly. You're not trying to have something like tight in that area. It looks like it's more loose with like the fabric, but then this gets like super freaking tight. And then we have the bralette. Like, we're keeping it real right now. Like, I don't want people to be wasting their money on this because I know a lot of like pregnant girls are gonna start watching my videos. And this is the top, so it just looks like a regular bralette. I just don't like that the way they advertised it was that like, oh my gosh, like this is, you know, gonna be super comfortable if, you know, you have a baby in there. But like, this does not look like it's going to be comfortable at all, nor does it look like it's going to fit. So I don't even know if I want to try this on. I like that it says Pretty Little Mama on that. Like, I think that's cute or whatever. Right now the baby's kicking and I don't want the baby to like feel like it's getting like crushed and then it starts actually like jabbing me. So I think we're gonna go ahead and just like toss the bottom, and I'm probably just gonna keep the top because I mean, like, look, it's just a regular bralette. So the verdict is don't shop at Pretty Little Thing for maternity clothing. I don't know why I was expecting, you know, the world from them, because I've obviously had like questionable experiences already. But I mean, this is cute. Like, this is like my favorite thing that came out of the entire, you know, little clothing haul. But that's it. So this is the first little, you know, maternity clothing haul. I'm definitely gonna, you know, have to buy some more because I can't wear these same like 5 things every single day over and over, even though like I say that, but then I keep wearing the exact same t-shirt and like joggers every single day. Like, what is the point of even like buying clothes if I'm just gonna wear like the same 2 things again and again? That's it for today's video. A lot of my girlies said that they were actually pregnant at the same time as me, so I'm sure you guys are also looking for like online shops to find maternity clothing. So definitely not them. Pretty Little Mama. You're gonna look like a cheap little mama. If you guys do know some like really good like maternity clothing brands that I should try out, because I'm definitely gonna do like other haul videos, because like I said, I'm only 20 weeks right now, so I'll probably do another one of these at like 24 or 25, do another one at 30, just so I could like document like the growth of the baby and all of that. The next video is probably gonna be like my sit down where I talk about like some stuff that I've been going through in my life, just all that stuff. Just, I have a lot to update you guys on, so that will probably be my next video. But I'm definitely gonna keep putting out some like baby content, so I hope you guys are like cool with that and you like it. Follow me on Instagram at simplynessa15, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.